Here are some of the measures we're putting in place to protect against the spread of the virus. Each morning, staff are checked for symptoms or a temperature. Tools and vehicles are sanitised each morning. We'll call or text message you announcing our arrival to allow you to prepare. Hand sanitizer dispensers are kept in all vehicles. Gloves are worn during our visit. Only remote payment methods are accepted. Virtual surveys are now available. And if you have any questions or requests, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for supporting our business.